So I got myself a MV7 Shure mic for podcasting from AAB World. A shout out to them for delivering it to me within just 2 hours. Not just that, but they also got me this stand that the mic comes with, or else it's just the mic alone as a bundle for the same price, which is kind of a good deal. So here are my thoughts on them. The unboxing experience is pretty much as usual. You get all your manuals and books, and also you get 2 cables with the Shure mic, a micro USB to type A and a micro USB to type C that could be used along with your Macs or even iPhones, and I don't think it works with iPads just yet. Then you also do have the mic itself, which is kind of heavy, but boy, it feels so good. So getting started with it is very easy. You have a dedicated desktop application, the Motiv, which can be found on their website, and it is pretty much easy to get started with the settings. The default setting itself is pretty much good, but there are other various settings that you can mess around with, even manual leveling with the microphone gain and the clarity of your voice from being deeper or even much more brighter. The clarity of the audio is much more better when I'm in closer proximity with the mic than if it's further away, but you can also choose within the application to set up the mic to be away from you, which I actually tried, and it sounds great, but it's not the best sounding. And I found that this setting that you are listening to me right now to be the most brightest and clearest for me right now. And also the Rode Distant that you're getting along with the bundle, if you purchase one for yourself from AAB World, is really heavy. But all you got to do is screw the stand to the bottom and also the microphone to the top, and it gives you an adjustable height which could be left at a table. But I didn't want to get myself a boom mic arm or something. I just settled for the stand since it comes with the offer. Anyways, you'll be the first ones to be listening to the audio that's coming out of this. So let me know your thoughts in comparison to my previous videos, especially my followers who have been watching me since the beginning. This is a major upgrade for me and my studio. If there's anything more specific that you want to know about the Shure MV7, let me know in the comments below and I'll reply to you instantly. Anyways, that's it from me. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up and see you then.